beds neat. There is one wise person who said that if you want to change the world, ensure that you first make your bed each and every morning. So guys, this is the focal point and I love it, and basically this is what I will do each and every morning. I love my bed neat and stuff like that. As you have seen, this is a theme color for the week. That is this floral pink. I will, go with different kind of bed sheets. Sometimes I will do plain white, sometimes I will do gray or any other color. So yeah, that's basically it.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. As usual, it's a pleasure to have you here. You guys, I love you so much. Thank you for always clicking on my videos. Thank you for always, finding time to, come to my channel and check out my videos. I don't take it for granted, and I appreciate you guys so much, and that's why I'll just keep on making more and more videos for you. I'm in my bedroom. As you can see, the title says I'm going to show you guys how to make a bed like a professional, how they make it in hotels. I like coziness, and I'm sure you also like coziness as well. A well-made neat bed will always, it's inviting, it brings the vibrance to the room. A bed will always be, your bed is your focal point in your bedroom. So ensure that your bed is neat, well made and all. I want to show you simply how I make my bed, and also that's exactly what you can also do to your bed, and very simple, and I think it can take you only like 5 minutes to go about this. I also have another small favor as you dwell in this video. In case you're new and you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly show me some love, guys, please. Just show me some small love. Hit that subscribe button just below there. It's free, guys. Just click, hit subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell. The notification bell is just on the right side, just beside the subscribe button, and that way you're not gonna miss any video that I get to upload. So thank you guys. Mwah, 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 mwah. So let's just get straight to to making this bed. I begin with a fitted bed sheet. As you can see, guys, below the fitted bed sheet is just a mattress. I don't have a mattress protector, but I plan to get one, and I also recommend to everybody, ensure you have a mattress protector. It comes in handy, ensures durability to your to your mattress and all. Then I'll go in with a flat bed sheet after the fitted bed sheet. So the flat bed sheet is what I normally lie on. Basically I'm using this maroon. I'm using maroon and pink for now, for this for this week, that is. So ensure you spread it out nicely, and you tuck it in nicely in all corners of tuck it in nicely in the mattress, and ensure it's flat and neatly made. This ensures that it doesn't come out quickly. If you tuck it, if you tuck in your flat bed sheet where you will lie on, when you tuck it in neatly, it's not gonna come out, and actually it can it can stay even like 3 days without coming out, even if you lie on it. Pink sheet that comes together with the, is it fuchsia or maroon, the one that I've just laid down, but I'll not do that. I'll go in with a different sheet. Normally I prefer when bed sheets, they come as a pair, so I normally use one. I put it like on top of the duvet. I find it more beautiful. And guys, what I'm just doing right now, I'm just laying down a pair, another sheet basically. If you don't have a duvet cover, which I don't prefer, normally I'll prefer using a bed sheet, and then I put a duvet in between and another bed sheet on top. Basically that's to protect the duvet from becoming dirty too quickly, and also it's for decoration purposes and providing warmth as well. So I'll go in with this white bed sheet. This one is the one I'll cover myself with, and actually I'm gonna do two. You can just do one bed sheet and then go in with your duvet, and then do another bed sheet or a duvet cover on top, or a duvet protector, whatever thing you use. For me, I don't know if I'm a cold-blooded animal or what. I'll go in with two bed sheets, and actually this is pure it's not even cotton, it's high quality cotton. And then I'll do two duvets, as you can see, and then I'll do the floral bed sheet on top. You guys will see how beautiful it's gonna come up. So I'll just make sure that I spread everything out and tuck it in neatly. Ensure you put it flat and you tuck it in neatly. Ensure your bed, I don't like my bed to have, creases and all, so I ensure it's flat, smooth, and it just looks appetizing, appetizing, guys. Something else I forgot, guys, unless it's your bedroom and the amount of warmth you need. Like for me, I know I really love a warm bed. That's why I do two duvets and two bed sheets. If it's a guest room you're making, you can just do one duvet and then put the extra duvet maybe somewhere in case, your guests just want to, to have the warmth, or maybe they're okay with just one duvet. My pink floral bed sheet that I reserved. Normally, as I said, I like my bed sheets to serve as the duvet covers because it kind of gives me a very beautiful vibe of my bed. So this is where I am very careful because I really have to smoothen out everything, make sure it's neat, extremely flat. I don't like even a single crease on my bed. I want my bed to look as perfect as possible. So I'll just smoothen out everything, and then after this I'm gonna now go in with the pillows, guys. Already can you see how the bed is, guys? Can you see it's coming up so well? That's the job I've done up to now. So next I'll come in with my pillows, and you can see these pillowcases is the same color with the my duvet cover in quotes. And actually my pillows normally serve different purposes. They are throw pillows, meaning they are decorational, and at the same time I'll use it to lay my neck. Can you see the next two set of pillows? They are the same colors with the flat bed sheet that I used initially. Can you remember? So this is how I arrange them. I like the fuchsia ones to be the ones that, so that they can bring in a contrasting effect. So I hope you get what I mean. Like the ones that match with my duvet covers in quotes, they go behind, and the ones that they are contrasting, they can come in front, so that to just bring not to break the monotony of the floral, the pink floral stuff color, I mean. So you can see it's so nice, and sure it's so neatly done. Next we have my bed runner, and it's the same, you see, it's the same material and color you see on my curtains, and I really love them so much. Normally I'll do something like that, the way they do it in the hotel, like run it from one side to the other if I'm doing plain white beddings. But now because of this pink that I'm doing for the week, I'll not run it from one side to the other. I'll just run it like on one side like that. And basically bed runners, they're nice, they're basically for decoration purposes. So I'll just like line it on one side instead. Basically there are different designs that you can use your bed runner. It doesn't have to be from one side to the other, and I really love my job, guys. Let me know what you think. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any opinion, you're free to comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Please guys, you can like it. You can comment if you wish. Just look at this bed guys. Whole in one to spend a night. It's such a cozy, warm, neatly made bed. It's so welcoming, and that's it guys. This is how you can easily make your bed look neatly and professional in your bedroom at home. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.